Konnichiwa minasan. Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Saral Japan YouTube channel. This is a place where we talk about Japan and Japanese. And this is the series called Japanese Lessons for Beginners. Today we are at lesson 137. You might remember that earlier we had discussed about the te form of the verb and attaching it with kudasai. So verb te kudasai. Today we are going to discuss about the negative form of the same construction, which isないで kudasai, and which means please do not do we. So let's see how this is constructed and we will go over various example sentences. So this is the fundamental table where you can see the group number of the verbs 1, 2 and 3. Then we have the stem verb. Then the modification rule, how to convert the stem verb into its te form. And then finally examples of the te forms. So as you can see here, first is verbs of group 1 category. Group 1 has a lot of exceptions. That's why so many rows out here. So the first row is those verbs which end with au or ru. So for example, au, aru, varau, gambaru, iu. So the rule is you have to remove the last u or ru and add tte. That means au becomes atte, varau becomes varatte, gambaru becomes gambatte, aru becomes again atte, and iu becomes itte. Then we have the second row as tatsu and matsu, which means tatsu is to stand, matsu is to wait. Here we remove the tsu and add tt. That means tatte, matte. Similarly, tobu, nomu, yomu, shinu becomes yonde, nonde, shinde, tonde. This is the rule. Araku, kaku, kiku. That is verbs ending with ku becomes, we remove the ku and we add ite. So araite, kakite, kikite. Iku is an exception. It becomes itte. Isogu, oyogu. That is the verbs ending with gu becomes, we remove the gu and we add ide. So isoide, oyoide. Hanas, we remove the su and we add the shte. So hanas becomes hanashte. These are the group 1 verbs. Then in group 2 we have iru and eru ending verbs. So for example, miru, neru, iru and so on. Taberu. So we just remove the ru and add te. So mite, nete, tabete, oshiete, ite and so on. Then we have the group 3 where there are just two verbs, suru and kuru. So suru becomes shte and kuru becomes kite. So we just remove the ru and we replace the u sound of that consonant with the e sound. So that's why su becomes she and ku becomes ki. So this is the fundamental table that we have learned earlier also. So this was just a recap. Then the te form plus kudasai, which we discussed in a recently concluded lesson, that au atte atte kudasai. That means please do this verb for me. So au means to meet. So atte kudasai means please meet. Tatsu matsu tatte matte. Tatte kudasai means please stand up. Matte kudasai means please wait. Chotto matte kudasai means please wait a little, as you know. So tobu nomu yomu shinu. Yonde nonde shinde tonde. So for example, if you say yonde kudasai means please read. Nonde kudasai, please drink. Araku kaku kiku. In this way, you just add kudasai after the te form of the verb and it becomes please do whatever is the verb preceding it. So this we discussed already in a recently concluded lesson. So I will move forward and will move into the negative form. So now if you want to say please do not do this, then how to do that? So for that we have the stem verb again, au, aru, varau, gambaru, iu. Let's form the negative stem. So in a previous lesson we had also done the negative form of the stem verbs. So if you look into those rules, if in that lesson, then you will find that au becomes avanai, aru becomes nai, varau becomes varavanai, gambaru becomes gambaranai, and iu becomes ivanai. So in this way, tatsu tatanai, matsu matanai, Tobu nomu yomu shinu becomes tobanai, nomanai, yomanai, shinanai. Araku kaku kiku. Arakanai, kakanai, kikanai. Iku, ikanai. Isogu, isoganai. Oyogu, oyoganai. Hanas, hanasanai. Kas, kasanai. Kaes, kaesanai. Miru, neru, taberu, iru becomes minai, nenai, tabenai, inai. So simply you add nai here. Suru becomes shnai and kuru becomes kunai or konai. This is not kunai, it's konai. K-O. So in this way, this also we have learned in a previous lesson of this series, how to derive the negative version of the stem verb. Now, what about the kudasai form? That means if you want to say, please do not meet. So, atte kudasai was please meet. So, if you want to say, please do not meet, then awanai de kudasai. So, it's no longer te kudasai, it is de kudasai. And before that, it's the negative form of the stem verb, awanai de kudasai. Similarly, tatanai de kudasai, that means please do not stand up. Matanai de kudasai, please do not wait. So, in this way, rest of the verbs. Tobu, nomu, yomu, shinu. Tobanai, nomanai, yomanai, shinanai. So, nomanai de kudasai means please do not drink. Kakanai de kudasai, please do not ride. Ikanai de kudasai, please do not go. Oyoganai de kudasai, please do not swim. Hanasanai de kudasai, please do not speak. Nenai de kudasai, please do not sleep, and so on. Shinai de kudasai, please don't do. Konai de kudasai, please do not come. So this is konai. This is not kunai. This is konai. Konai. So let's look at some examples here. Au, avanai de kudasai. Please do not meet me. Varau, varavanai de kudasai. Please do not laugh. Oyogu, oyoganai de kudasai. Please do not swim. Isogu, isoganai de kudasai. Please do not hurry. Taberu, tabenai de kudasai. Please do not eat. Nomu, nomanai de kudasai. Please do not drink. Miru, minai de kudasai. Please look at this. Neru, nenai de kudasai. Please do not sleep. Shiraberu, shirabenai de kudasai. Please do not investigate. Kangaeru, kangaenai de kudasai. Please do not think about it. Then we have Oshieru, oshienai de kudasai. Please do not teach me. Kaku, kakanai de kudasai. Please do not write. Hanas, hanasanai de kudasai. Please do not speak. Iu, iwanai de kudasai. Please do not tell. Matsu, matanai de kudasai. Please do not wait. Tatsu, tatanai de kudasai. Please do not stand. Yomu, yomanai de kudasai. Please do not read. Benkyou suru, benkyou shinai de kudasai. Please do not study. Denwa suru, denwa shinai de kudasai. Please do not call me. Kuru, konai de kudasai. Please do not come. So in this way you can form any of those negative request sentences. Now, before we look into other examples using this structure, so this is about we form the te form from the stem verb. So now if you have the normal mass form, for example, kakimas, for example, say kakimas, then what you do, we use the imas, you remove the imas and you put anai. So kakimas becomes kakanai. Similarly, hanas, you remove the u and put the hanashimas, where you put the hanasanai. So that is another way to construct that, but I think it is easier to go to the stem verb and just make the negative form and then simply add de kudasai. So this is the negative form is much more simpler than the positive form, because in the positive form there are so many exceptions in the group 1 verbs. Like sometimes it is non de kudasai, sometimes it is isoi de kudasai, sometimes it is oyogu kudasai, sometimes it is itte kudasai, ite kudasai, kite kudasai, kitte kudasai. So there are so many rules out there, and then sometimes it is de kudasai, sometimes it is te kudasai. But in the negative form, It is always de kudasai, and the verbs are also very straightforward. Just you have to add anai or wanai de kudasai. So in that way, the negative form is much easier. So now let's look at some example sentences from practical life. Itsumo terebi o minai de kudasai. Itsumo means always or all the time. Terebi is television. Minai de kudasai means please do not watch. Please do not watch TV all the time. So probably a mother is telling this to her son or daughter. Itsumo terebi o minai de kudasai. Since terebi is the object, so it follows the object marker O. Enpitsu wo tsukawanai de kudasai. Please do not use a pencil. Enpitsu is pencil. Tsukawanai. So this is tsukau. The base form of the verb is tsukau, which means to use, and tsukawanai means not to use. So this is the negative form of the verb tsukau. Enpitsu o tsukawanai de kudasai. Please do not use a pencil. Then we have chotto kurai kara yomanai de kudasai. So yomanai de kudasai means please do not read. Please do not read is yomanai de kudasai. Chotto kurai kara means from here. Please don't start reading from here. That means here chotto kurai kara. Chotto kurai means a little bit. Chotto kurai means a little bit, and kara means from a little bit. So the literal meaning is that please don't start reading from a little bit. So this is the literal meaning, but the actual meaning is that please don't start reading from here. Chotto kurai kara yomanai de kudasai. Koko de sentaku o shinai de kudasai. Now sentaku means washing clothes or laundry basically. Sentaku or suru. Sentaku suru means to wash clothes, to do laundry. So koko de means here. Koko de sentaku o shinai de kudasai means please do not do laundry here, or please do not wash clothes here. Itsumo denwa de hanasanai de kudasai. Again, itsumo means all the time or always. Denwa de hanasanai de kudasai. Please do not talk on the phone always. Hanasanai de kudasai means please do not talk. Denwa de means on the phone. So please don't always talk on the phone. Itsumo asobanai de kudasai. Please don't play all the time. Again, similar construction. Atsui kara mado o shimenai de kudasai. Atsui kara means because it is hot. Atsui is the adjective for hot. Atsui kara because it is hot. Mado. Mado is window. And shimenai de kudasai. Shimenai is shimeru, which means to close. And shimenai de kudasai means please do not close. Because it is hot, please do not close the window. Atsui kara mado o shimenai de kudasai. Isu ga kowarete imasu node suwaranai de kudasai. So here you can see there are two te forms. One is kowarete imasu. Kowarete imasu. That means the chair has been broken. So kowarete imasu, this is a continuous tense. Present continuous tense means the chair is still broken. Isu ga kowarete imasu. That means the chair is broken or the chair has been broken. Node. So suwaranai de kudasai. Please do not sit. The chair is broken, so please do not sit on it. Isu ga kowarete imasu kara suwaranai de kudasai. Kowarete, kowaru is the verb which means to break, and kowarete imasu means is broken. Suwaranai de kudasai, please do not sit. Suwaru is the verb to sit, and suwaranai is do not sit, and suwaranai de kudasai means please do not sit. 体調が悪いので明日は学校に来ないでください。Very important example. 体調は悪いので。体調 means your body. 体調 as you can see here, body が悪いので。悪い means to feel bad. That means as you are ill. As you are ill. 体調が悪い means you are ill. And 体調が悪いので means as you are ill. 明日は tomorrow 学校に来ないでください. Please do not come to the school. Or gakko e konaide kudasai. Please do not come to school tomorrow. Taichou ga warui node ashita wa gakko ni konaide kudasai. As you are ill, please do not come to school tomorrow. So friends, that's all about this lesson. Naide kudasai. That means please do not do. The verb which follows this structure. So I hope you have understood. In the next lesson, we shall be back with yet another topic. And if you have any questions regarding this lesson or any other lesson of the series that we completed so far, please feel free to post a comment on any video, or you may write to saraljapani@gmail.com. Till we meet again in the next video, it's goodbye from me, Sujay. Thank you very much for watching. Arigato gozaimasu. Mata imasho.